I like to wear light makeup in the summer, but I do enjoy jazzing it up a little bit for evening looks. Here's a look I created for a night out while staying at a beach house using all new and trending makeup. Before applying makeup, I'm going to start by making sure I have a nice healthy canvas and apply this Freck moisturizer and Goop's Unseen sunscreen. Then I'm going to apply Fenty's Easy Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Then I'm going to apply the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch to cover up some dark spots and blemishes. Now I'm using Urban Decay's Stay Naked Correcting Concealer under the eyes. I'm going to use my Beauty Blender to blend those in. Picking up Kaja's Play Bento, I'm going to contour with the cream bronzer by applying it to the hollows of my cheek, jawbone, nose, and across my forehead. I'm going to blend it in with my finger. Then I'll set it with Gucci's bronzing powder. Then I'm going to apply the blush from the Play Bento. Now I'm applying the highlighter. Picking up Urban Decay's Wild West palette, I'm going to apply the shadow Nudie across the crease of my eyes. Then I'm going to apply Spur to my lids. Picking up Hold'em with my finger, I'm going to apply that over the shadow on my lids. Then I'm going to pick up Ghost Town and apply it to the outer corners of the eyes and blend it across my lash line and across the crease in V strokes. And then apply it across the lower lash line. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. Here I'm going to apply Bite Beauty's Upswing Full Volume Mascara. And lastly, I'll shape and fill in my brows using Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. As my final step, I'm going to apply the mauve cream color from the Kaja Cutie Bento and apply it on my lips with my finger. And here is the final look. I love that it's light summer makeup, but not quite a no makeup look. Let me know what you think and what kind of makeup tutorial you'd like to see next in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to set on your notifications for all. That way you don't miss a thing. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned.